Viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how you can gather points for USDT reward on BitGet. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, do support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Binance Smart Chain. The contract address will be in the description below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. So for the purpose of today's video, we are going to be making use of BitGet. BitGet is a centralized exchange, just like Binance, like KuCoin, like Bybit. We are just going to head over to Play Store and have it downloaded on our device. So when you get to Play Store, put it in the search bar, BitGet. Okay, put it in the search bar and search for it. Now you need to be careful. There are two BitGet applications on Play Store. There is BitGet and then there is BitGet Wallet. Be careful. The one we are dealing with in this video is not BitGet Wallet. It is BitGet application on its own. So you're just going to go ahead and install it. For me, I have it installed already on this device, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it. All right, so it's loading. This is the interface of BitGet. So basically, there is a reward that BitGet gives to its users every day when they log in. It is called points. Now this point, you can always earn it when you log in to your BitGet account every day, and you can actually use it to redeem some prizes. Okay, they've developed the system whereby when you gather the point to a particular level, you'll be able to exchange it for certain rewards on their platform. Some of these rewards are usually coupons, okay, USDT coupons that you could use to trade on futures, or that you could use to trade on the spot section of the application. So we're just going to go ahead to check it out. Look at the upper part of the screen, just below the value of the portfolio. You will see rewards, you will see invite gifts, you will see copy, you will see KCGI 2024, and you're going to see more. So we're just going to go ahead and click on rewards. Okay, so we are just going to wait for that to load, and then we have this. So this is the reward. You can see the moment I clicked on rewards, it just brought this pop-up, claim points every day. Okay, so all I have to do is just to click on claim now, and then I'll be able to claim my reward for today. So I'm just going to go ahead now and click on claim now. Okay, so I've just clicked on claim now, and as you can see, it changed to check-in. That means I've already gotten today's points for just logging in. Okay, so by tomorrow I'll be able to get tomorrow's point, which is plus 10 also for logging in. All right, there are other tasks you can do to also, get these rewards. They are also outlisted right there under the rewards section. You can see daily task. Okay, look at it here, daily task. Okay, now when you make a deposit, no matter how much the deposit is, when you make a deposit on BitGet every single day, you get to claim 10 additional points to your daily check-in points. Okay, so I've made a deposit today, so you can see I have 10 points to be claimed. So I'm just going to go ahead and claim that. All right, so you can see successful, you've received 10 points. So I've been able to claim 10 points. Now to the reward section. Okay, when you scroll down, you see something like 1 USDT, 3 USDT, 5 USDT coupon, spot coupon, 30 USDT, 1000 USDT, 100 USDT, 5000 USDT futures trading bonus. So when your points get to the corresponds to what you can use to redeem any of these rewards, you can actually redeem them and then get to use them in any section of the platform. For instance, this is 1000 USDT futures trading bonus. So you can use 100,000 points to actually get this 1000 USDT futures trading bonus. And when you get it, you could actually use this coupon, this trading bonus, you could use it to trade on your futures account, and any profit you get from that trade becomes yours automatically. And the same goes for the spot vouchers too. You could use the spot vouchers to also trade on the spot section of the exchange, and any profit you make actually belongs to you. That is all about the points and reward system on BitGet. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, I would like to see them in the comment section. And I also love you to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notification bell for more educative content like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.